Alright, so before we move on, let's quickly talk about the sponsor of today's video, BetterHelp. Now, regardless if you're dealing with depression, anxiety, or if you're just going through a hard time in life, nothing wrong with that, we've all been there, you should consider therapy to be a viable option that will give you the tools to assess your situation differently. Now, BetterHelp's mission is to make finding therapy affordable and accessible to everyone. And that's important because sometimes not everyone can find a therapist that's good for them, and it's also in their area. So BetterHelp is a platform that makes finding a therapist easier because one, it's online, it's remote, and then all you have to do is answer a few quick questions, and within a couple days you will be matched up with a professional therapist. Now with that, it's easy to sign up. I will leave the link down below in the description, and with that link, betterhelp.com/Jeff Harris, you will get 10% off your first month. Now for me personally, when I made the switch from a traditional career to online content creation, it was stressful, and that's just mainly due to the fact that one, it was a big life change, and two, I set high expectations for myself. And so with that came a lot of work and a lot of stress, and so on and so on. For a while there I was dealing with that, and eventually I ended up reaching out. I was talking to someone, and they were able to kind of change my mindset and steer me in the right direction, and that's all it really took. Now if you're struggling with anything similar to that, or you just need someone to talk to, you should consider using BetterHelp for online therapy. And again, if you use the link in the description, you will save 10% off your first month. And thanks again to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. Now, let's get back to cooking.